And I'll never let you go. I can take you places that you've never been before. Baby, take a chance, cause you never ever know. I got money in my hands that I really wanna blow. On you, chilling by the fire while we eating fondue. I don't know about me, but I know about you. So say hello to falsetto in 3, 2, I like to be everything you want. Hey girl, let me talk to you. If I was your boyfriend, never let you go. Keep you on, girl, never be alone. Now I could be a gentleman, anything you want. If I was your boyfriend, never let you go. I'll never let you go. Excuses, baby, won't change the fact that you're gone. No, if there's something that I can do, won't you please let me know? Yeah, well, time is passing so slowly now. Guess that's my life without you. Guess that's my life without you. Maybe I would change her every day, yeah. But baby, I don't want to. So I just hang around, find some things to do, take my mind off and missing you. And I know in my heart you can say that you don't love me too. Please say you do. Yeah. Get you off of my mind. My best to be a man. Oh yeah. But the truth remains, you're gone, gone, gone. Now you're gone. Can't believe you're gone, gone.
My bad.
What will I do if I can't be with you? Tell me, where will I turn to? Baby, who will I be now that we are apart? Am I still in your heart? Baby, why don't you see? How's everybody doing tonight? You know, the best thing that someone could ever give to someone else is an opportunity. So I want to thank HMF for giving me this opportunity and coming here to perform for you guys tonight. 我做呢實在多，使俾我嘅老細。
Songbird, rebirth, unearthed creature, submerged from earth in broken pieces. Emergency, heartbeat increases. Rise up, notice rise. This is the beginning.